your webcam is the problem. The issue with boring video calls is the lack of energy. The webcam sucks it out, and not only you're sending a 2D version of yourself to the audience, but you're basically not moving. Exciting, right? And if you send little energy to the audience, then they're not energized and they become quieter, which results in sending you back almost zero energy. And then you end up with the classics of the classics, the not another boring Zoom meeting effect. But hey, the good news is that we can do something against it. In this video, you learn the exercises that you can do before a video call to shine energy and win the battle against your webcam. We'll create proverbs, count the ducks, read people's mind, discover unusual ways to count to 20, and much more. You can join me in the Energized Zoom meeting army, where our motto is: if the webcam sucks out half of the energy, then let's give 200%. I'm an amateur improv theater actor, and the exercises we do before performing are exactly what I need to warm up before an important Zoom call. We'll look at activities to energize as a team or as an individual. Are you ready? Let's go! The first step to get energized is actually to relax. You can do a breathing exercise, some stretching, or a 5 minutes outside walk. Once your brain is free and your body relaxed, it's now time to fill them with positive energy, to make you be present and reactive like a sprinter at the starting blocks. I will start with exercises that you can do in a team. They will not only energize you, but they will help you connect with the other team members. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm introducing you to Marco.
Hey everybody.
Martina.
Hello.
And Daniele.
Hi guys.
The first thing to do for each of these exercises is to define an order of appearance for each of the participants. In Zoom, you can drag and drop the videos and put them in the position you want. And I'll be the first, Martina is second, Marco third, and Daniele fourth. Ask the other participants to do the same and make sure everyone is clear on who is before and who is after them. The first exercise is called the proverb. First, you should come up with a general theme, like vacation or cooking, or the first thing that comes up to your mind. Then you start making the proverb. Each participant says a word in the order that has been predefined. Don't think, just let your brain go and say the first thing. You'll probably come up with some nonsense, but at the end, one team member should explain the meaning of that proverb. Let's see a couple of examples. Somebody wants to give us a theme?
Cartoons. If.
Shrek.
Wolf.
Down.
The.
Ellie.
You.
Have.
To.
Greet.
With.
Emphasis.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like, oh, Shrek, right?
Of course. It's not someone that you see every day, you know?
Yeah.
Come on, it's Shrek. He deserves it.
After you've done it once or twice, it's good practice to change the order of the participants.
Fashion.
Yeah.
If.
You.
Dress.
Like,
Monkey.
You.
must.
Eat.
Bananas.
So it's really simple. If you don't want to be like Rihanna or Kim Kardashian at the MET Gala, you have to empower your dress. Otherwise, there is only a dress, not really a fashion.
I know, we have very strange proverbs here. If you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button so more people will be able to see it. And I'm so curious to know the proverbs you came up with, so please write them in the comments below. In the second exercise, we'll count from 1 to 20. Easy, right? But we'll do that with closed eyes. Everyone can say a consecutive number whenever they like. But if 2 or more people speak at the same time, then you will have to start back from 1. This is very helpful to concentrate and establish a connection with your other team members.
1.
Already failed. 1.
2.
3.
4.
4. 1.
2.
3.
4.
5.
7. 16.
17.
18.
19.
20. Yes! This exercise is called Count the Ducks. We have to count a growing group of ducks, how many duck feet are in total in the group, and then say quack for each duck in the group. It's easier to do it than to explain it. 1.
Duck.
2.
Feet.
Quack.
2.
Ducks.
4.
Feet.
Quack.
Quack.
3.
Ducks.
6.
Feet.
Quack.
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 4,
Ducks 8.
5,
Ducks 10. 6 ducks.
12 feet.
This game is called Connected Words. Following a game, the predefined order, a participant says a word, and the next one has to say a word that is connected somehow to the first one. Let's have a try.
So I go with table.
Chair,
Legs.
Shoes.
Lace.
socks,
Red.
Baseball.
Bat.
man,
People.
Village. This exercise is one of my favorites, and it's called connections. Any two persons think a word, and when they have it, they say got it. When two persons have it, then they count 1, 2, 3, and then say the word. The first two words will seem totally unrelated, but I'm sure you'll find a word that connects the two. Once two persons have found that connecting words, then they say got it, count again 1, 2, 3, and then say the word. The goal is at the end to have two persons saying the same word at the same time. You'll prove that you can read other people's mind. So at the end, make sure you'll celebrate. Got it?
got it. 1,
1, 2,
3,
lights.
dog,
Got it?
got it.
1,
1, 2,
2, 3.
3, Christmas
Moon.
tree,
Got it?
Got it?
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
Santa.
Stars.
Got it.
Got it?
1, 2,
3.
3.
Coca-Cola.
Sky.
got it.
Got it?
1,
1, 2,
3,
3.
party,
Gaff.
Oh, got it.
Got it? 1,
1, 2,
2, 3.
balloon.
Balloon.
Yeah! These were just some of the exercises that you can do to energize as a team. Which one was your favorite? And please let me know if you have other suggestions. Let's now have a look at what we can do to energize as an individual. The first exercise, we can call it disconnect. Look around in your office or in the kitchen if you're doing a coffee break. Point your finger at an object and say out loud the name of an object that is completely unrelated. Something like car, shoe, TV, wheel, rain, basketball. Do it for a couple of minutes, trying to speed up your pace. Lamp, chalk, antenna, ice cream, glasses, pen, mountain, tent, tree, duck, and so on. In this other exercise, pick one letter of the alphabet, for example, F, and then make a short sentence only with words that start with F, like Frankfurt Field Funnels or Fusion feels fantastic. It probably will make no sense, but try to give an explanation to what you came up with. Like, yeah, I remember in 1832, Frank was fighting a full army of funnels in the wine war. And then why is fusion fantastic? Well, it's clear because if you melt something, then you can give it the shape you want. This next exercise is called problem solver. Think about a small problem you had in the past couple of days. Then take the first object that you see on your desk, for example this, and explain how this object is going to solve your problem. Well, in the last days, I'm having a hard time waking up in the morning, but luckily I have this adhesive tape. Tonight I will glue it to the ceiling to an extent that it will detach little by little, so that exactly at 7 a.m. it will detach completely and fall on my nose, thus waking me up. You can also do on your own some of the exercises that we've done before as a team. You can count the ducks. 1 duck, 2 feet, quack. 2 ducks,
4 feet, quack, quack. 3 ducks, 6 feet, quack, quack, quack. 4 ducks, 8 feet, quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Yeah, right.
and so on. I'd love to hear your feedback on these exercises.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I want to thank you all my followers from the United States, the island, Caribbean, California, and Canada.
You know that all this will go on YouTube, right? The more you play the stupid, the higher the chance I'll put you on YouTube.
Yes, and the cat is on the table. Buonanotte.